the code 1 medical call next 3 to 19016 Woolworth. 19016 Woolworth between Brentwood and 7 Mile. For the 66-year-old male with chest pain. Alright, copy and AR.
Myself and 2C to the welfare check.
Okay, thank you. Alright, dispo of an arm.
Harrison Wilson Service 137. Good morning.
Good morning, it's a good time.
Service card in there now.
Off-duty roll call.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Team 29, can you make a mobilization at 7010 Middlebelt? Check for a board flex in the parking lot. Clerk has already left, but I thought in there when she left and thinks it's suspicious. 7010 Middlebelt, 617.
Here you go.
595 reported an occupied commercial building at 5045 East Sutter Drive. 5045 East Sutter Drive between Royette and Eastland in apartment 205. Engine 46, engine 50, are you en route?
46 is en route.
Engine 46 en route. Engine 50?
50 route.
Engine 50 en route. We show all trucks en route to the box alarm. Pole 1 response. Fire reported an occupied commercial building 5045 East Sutter Drive between Royette and Eastland in apartment 205. Chief 9 and our responding company EMS requested for standby. Engine 44, are you en route to the code 1 medical call with EMS to 19016 Woodward between West Brentwood and West 7 Mile for the 56-year-old male with chest pains, engine 44.
44 is en route to Woodward.
Engine 44 en route to the code 1 medical call. You respond with medic 3, switch a mark EMS upon your arrival to the scene. Engine 50, you're hacking around. Box alarm, engine 32, engine 41, ladder 31, squad 2, chief 6, box alarm, pole firm response, 4577 Bendigo, 4577 Bendigo between East Canfield and East Warren. Fire is reported in a dwelling.
Search 152 is in service, destination 321.
On service,
31.
ladder 31 en route. Engine 52, response to the box alarm, Bendigo between Warren and Canfield, engine 52.
Engine 52 is en route.
Engine 52 en route.
Ladder 6 Essential. Fire rate 3615 Preston is off. Still overall has been completed. All affected areas cleared of hotspots and evidence. Dispo 151. Ladder 6 in service.
Ladder 6 reporting the fire is out at 3615 Preston. A thorough overhaul operation was conducted in all areas for the hotspots and evidence having in service.
Central 48 transfer, patient care to medic 1, in service disposition 321.
Engine 48 transferring care to EMS. We have you in service 321. Chief 6, we have you en route.
Squad 2 is en route.
Squad 2 en route.
Engine 6 is seen investigating.
60 on the scene investigating. Engine 41 4577 Bendigo between Warren and Canfield. Fire reported in a dwelling. Engine 32 en route. Engine 41.
41 on the scene investigating and the company's 40.
Engine 41 on the scene investigating. All coverage response to the box alarm. Go easy for engine 41 on the scene investigating. 4577 Bendigo.
44 is on the scene.
748 still in, you can return to your area.
Go ahead.
Yeah, about 1 minute.
Commissioner Hilton Gentry, Mark Ferguson, Edward Henry Robert, 9530. Hundred 50